Hello everyone, myself Dr. Vijay Kumar Vishwakarma, and here I am welcoming you to my YouTube channel kembigyan.com. In this video lecture, I will talk about some important questions for the final exam of SRM IST. And this is mainly belongs to year 2022. So I do not take much more time and want to start from the unit first. So whole lecture is divided in 5 parts. These are the 5 units basically: unit first, unit second, unit third, unit 4, and last one is unit 5. So in final exam, there will be two types of questions: 25 MCQs and 50 marks, 5 question, and each have weight is 10. So this will be the 50 marks. So 5 question, that will be the major section, and this will be the discussed by me how unit first, second, third, fourth, and 5 take part to cover these major section, means 50 marks. So let us start from the beginning from unit first. So then we can say that in unit first, those sections which are not came in the previous exams are most important as per my perspective. First question is the necessity of wave theory, Heisenberg uncertainty principle, and de Broglie equation. I think this will get 2 weightage, this will get 4 weightage, and this will get 4 weighted. So this all make up the 2 plus 4 plus 4, that will be the 10. Now the next question from unit first, question number 2 will be the Schrodinger equation, and its importance. And solution to the particle in box model, particle in box model. Here Schrodinger equation will have weightage 2, importance have 2, and the solution for PIB model have 6 importance. Now the third questions here focus that I take the questions that are easy and as per the easy as well as important as per the exam perspective. Here I am skipping the Schrodinger equation solution for hydrogen atom. That is not too much important as per my perspective. Next, what is LCAO? What is LCAO? MOT theory and its application taking homonuclear, homoatomic and heteroatomic. Anyone from homoatomic like H2, Li2, etc., homoatomic CO, etc., can be given for the application perspective. The weightage will be 2, 3, and 5. Now, the fourth important question from unit first will be aromaticity and Huckel rule and its application to ethene. Just see here, I am not writing butadiene because the molecular orbital diagram of butadiene is will take too much time. So as per the exam perspective, this will be the 2, this will be the 3, and this will be the 5 weightage. So as per my opinion, if they give ethylene, that will be simpler for the students. But in that case, aromaticity, Huckel rule, and the molecular orbital pictures of butadiene, this will be the complicated question. So I take here ethylene. If you want to prepare, you can also prepare for butadiene system. Next, move towards unit second. From unit second, first important question is what is CFT? And splitting of d orbitals are octahedral oblique tetrahedral complexes. So here the CFT and its application have the CFT have 4 weightages and splitting of d orbital will be the 6 weightages. And I think this is the easiest question from unit 2. Second question will be formed from application part, that will be the magnetic moment, magnetism in coordination complexes. Explain it taking example they take either two complex like NiCl6 2 plus Fe CO 6 2 plus these types of examples. So here the weightage will be 4, and if they get 2 examples, then the weightage will be 3 and 3. Here you have to find magnetic moment mu. Next, the third question. What is spectroscopy? And EMR, its properties, four, electronic spectra of hydrogen atom. And last question, NMR. NMR have two parts, chemical shift. If they ask chemical shift, then they ask you for an example, and here you have to take example C2H5OS, that will be the ethanol. And if they ask in NMR, then will be the principal, and application. This is the all about unit 2. Now we have to move unit 3. From unit 3, the main focus will be on X-ray, spectroscopy, and Bragg equation, and its derivation. Here this will be the 2, this will be the 2, and derivation will have 6 phases. Second question, second question will be from equation of state and Van der Waal equation. Van der Waals equation. Weightage will be 5 and 5. Third, weak forces of attraction plus critical terms. And critical terms, critical temperature, critical volume, and critical pressure. I think the Wonderwall have the weight is 6, and if they ask two critical terms, then their weightage will be 4. Question number 4. Effective nuclear charge effective nuclear charge and Slater rule. Slater's rule, that will be the weightage 5 and 5. Question number 5. Periodic properties and they gave total 5 properties like atomic radii, electron gain enthalpy, ionization enthalpy, electronegativity, so this all have total 10 weightages. What is the periodic properties? 2, 2, 2 and 2. This is all about the unit third. Sorry, one more question from unit third. Polarizability and Fajan rule. Taking example like CaCl2 and CaBr2, that will be the 2, that will be the 6, and this will be the 2 weightages. So this is the end of unit third. Now we have to move towards unit 4. Unit 4. Apart from unit 4, first question will be HSAB principle and its 3 applications. They'll have it. This have it as 4, and these 3 application each have 2, 2, and 2 weightages. Second question. Gives Helmholtz equation and its application. As in CT3, you find that its weightage is 2 and application have weightage, sorry, Gibbs Helmholtz equation derivation have weightage 8 and application have weightage 2. So you have to here mention that derive the Gibbs equation. Basically in question paper given that derivation of Gibbs Helmholtz equation, or they write derive the Gibbs Helmholtz equation and writes its application. Now the third question, derivation of Nernst equation and its application. As in syllabus, there are three applications: pH, anhydrone electrode, and potential. Sorry, I forget it. But whatever the applications you have to write here. So here I am only mentioning the two applications. This will be the 6-way test, and this will be the 2 and 2-way test. Now the fourth question from unit 4, fourth question, corrosion and Forbach's diagram. Apart from corrosion, this have weight as 2 and this have weight as 8. Apart from corrosion, there are two other questions like mechanism on dry and wet corrosion. But I think the Forbach's diagram have more weightage since it also came in CT3 but doesn't mean. I think it will, if the question will form from corrosion, then the Forbach's diagram will be given to you. Now the fifth question, symmetry elements. Basically, what is symmetry and its element? Yeah, elements or elements of symmetry. So in syllabus, there are total 4 elements. So each have 2 vertices, and writing about symmetry have 2 vertices. Now, as per the syllabus, some part of organic chemistry is also given in unit 4, but I am taking the uh, the weightage of these part in unit 5. So let us move towards unit 5. Unit 5, first question, isomers. What is isomers? Define structural and stereoisomers. So you have to write the total 5 and 2 stereomers, geometrical and optical. This will get us 2 and 4 and 4. Next, unit 5, question number 2. What is conformers? What is conformers? Discuss the different conformers of N-butene. Two for writing conformers and total 8 for writing conformations of N-butane and energy diagram. Now, question number 3 from unit 5. reaction mechanism. So total three types of reactions: addition, substitution, and elimination. Focus on all reaction mechanisms. Either it will be electrophilic or nucleophilic. So I think this all have weight as 10 and it is given in two parts, like what is electrophil, they ask you what is electrophile and nucleophile. Write the mechanism of SN2 reactions. Clear? So question number 4, discuss the Dickman condensation and its mechanism. I think this will be at 6 and 4. And last question from unit 5. This will be the about drug. What is drugs? Write the synthesis of paracetamol and its application. This will be at 2. Synthesis have at 3. Sorry, 5 or 6, and application have at 2. So this is all about the total 5 unit based on the latest curriculum of 2022. I consider here total 5 unit and 5 questions from each unit. You have option to escape the questions, number of questions, but I think if you prepare, then you will be more comfortable during the exams. Thank you for watching my videos. Have a nice day. Best of luck for your examinations.